Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. Now before we start the review, let's talk about your bonus. So I want to give this kiss jacking as a bonus if you go and buy this product from my link below. I'll talk about how you can get it, but what this kiss jacking is if you want to find out, then first of all you have to go below the YouTube video you're watching and then find the link which says grab kiss jacking. Click on that link, come to this page here, and then you can scroll down and you can see that we made this kind of sales, all these sales, and this money came from free YouTube videos, just like the one I'm recording right now. Okay, so if you want to know how you can start this as a total, as a total beginner, if you don't know anything about YouTube, you're not tech savvy, if you want to know a step by step, then I can give you this kiss jacking course, which is for 2 hours and 9 minutes long, as you can see here. Okay, so I'll send you this 2 hours long video, which is kiss jacking. You can get this for free if you go and buy this product, which I'm doing the review for. You can get this kiss jacking totally for free if you buy from my link. Okay. Now you can do this in two ways. Either you go and buy the product from my link, or else you can come to kiss jacking directly. And in that case, you can buy it in $17. Okay. So let's say if you want to buy the product which I'm reviewing, go and buy from my link that product. In that case, I'll send you case checking for free, this 2 hours long video. But let's say if you say, I don't want to buy this product which you're reviewing, in that case you can go and buy this in $17. It's up to you. Okay, so sometimes it will happen that the product which I'm reviewing, you may not want it, or it might not be worth it, but you may want to buy it just because you want case checking for free. Okay, so you have two options. You go and buy this product which I am doing the review for, below my you will find a link below my video. Go and buy from my link, and then once you have purchased it, it will look something like this. After the payment, it will say access your purchase here, and it says access affiliate bonus. Okay, so once you click on access affiliate bonus on Warrior Plus, you will see that 2 hour long video which I'll send to you. And if you buy it from Zavizu, then go and figure it out. Okay, so if you want to buy this product and you want to get cash jacking, then go and grab the copy from a link below, and then click on this thing here, and you will get to see this 2 hours long cash jacking tutorial. Okay, otherwise you can come here and simply buy this in $17 without buying this product which I'm doing the review for. I hope we are clear. Okay, so let's do a quick recap before we start the video. Go below my video, click on the link which says grab cash jacking copy. Come to this page here, check these proofs. All this money was made just by making these free videos. If you want this tutorial, you can get this in two ways. Either you directly can buy this in $17 from my website here. You can go and click on this buy now button, wherever the button is, and pay $17 directly to me. Get cash jacking this tutorial here, or else go and grab this product which I am doing the review for, whether you want the product or not. But if you want cash jacking, then go and buy that product, and you will get this as a bonus totally for free in your bonus section. Okay, and one more thing here, if you want to get your YouTube channel monetized in as little as 30 days, or you want those 4,000 subscribers and 1,000 watch hours in 15 days, then check out this thing called Make Money on YouTube. Okay, so if you have any questions, you can contact me on the email. If you can't find your bonus, you can drop me an email and I can send you the video in email as well. Once you have sent me your confirmation receipt that you bought from my link. Okay, so I guess we are clear. If you want cash checking for free, go and buy the product from my link. Otherwise, if you want cash checking, then go and buy directly from this website. Okay, so I'll see you hopefully inside, and let's start the review. All right, let's do this review for a mobile money system, the world's first AI mobile loophole that pays us for copy and pasting links. New copy and paste AI system exploits Google every 60 seconds for set and forget $100 to $200 per day. No tech setup, no upfront cost, no manual work, instant payments. Okay. If you believe in all that, then you can go and buy. See, let's not waste your time here or my time. I will not be able to, lie to anybody. Okay, I'll keep this straightforward. This will not make you any single penny. Okay, but as I said in the beginning, that If you want my bonus cash jacking, then you can go and grab a mobile money system using my link below. That's the only reason you will buy this. Otherwise, if you think that there is some magic bullet or there's some system or somebody owes you anything that they have to come and give you a system, I mean, nobody owes you anything. That why somebody will go and create a system for you and give that system to you in $10, $20. Okay. So let's face it, let's be real. They are here to sell this shiny thing to you, and you're just paying for some fake dreams. Okay, because if there was such a system which could just make 100 200 per day or whatever, okay, nobody will have to come on YouTube and make these reviews. If you go on YouTube, other people are giving you bonus as well, selling this to you. So if the system is making that kind of money every day, then why are we making reviews? Right? Why people are working on YouTube, wasting their time, or rather investing their time in creating bonuses, lucrating you, stuff like that. Okay, so if this thing or these kind of things really had to make any kind of any money, then nobody will be poor. Everybody can afford $20 and everybody can print money if that was the case. Okay, so again, I don't have time for all this nonsense, but you can see here they will get you into this into $17 and then you have to pay more. Okay. So I am not a salesman. Even I go through the reality. So I told you in the beginning, the only reason you want to buy this is if you want my case jacking. Okay. So either you can go and grab this mobile money system using my link below, and then you will get case jacking as a bonus. For example, if I show you, you can see I already have added case jacking as a bonus. So when you buy this product from my link below, you will get case jacking. Okay, if you don't want to buy this Warrior Plus or JVju or whatever product this is, okay, so for example, you see here it shows you 180 days money back guarantee. Okay, so 180 days is like bullshit because even banks don't take chargebacks after 3 months. Okay, so let's cut the crap, let's save your time. If you want to get case jacking for free, then go and buy this thing called mobile money system using my link below. If you don't want to buy mobile something, then directly go and buy cash jacking. Okay, so if you buy this mobile money system in whatever price, $17 I think. Okay, so if you go and buy this in $17, you will get this mobile money system. If you want to have a look into it, so pay $17 here, and in that case you will get cash jacking for free. Otherwise, you can come to cash jacking. You will find the link here. It says grab cash jacking. Click on that, and then you can pay $17 for my honesty, for my hard work, and then get 2 hours of case jacking training course in that case. Okay, so do whatever you like. Either you buy and get case jacking like this, or else directly go and buy from me from my website case jacking. Okay, and I'll see you in my next video. And you can check out all these links below my video, all these methods I have done tested. For example, I have made money using swing trading, I have made money using email marketing, I have made money on YouTube. So you can go and check out these links. They will be helpful to you because these comes from my 5 years of experience. Okay, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.